Alright, got our wire. How's everybody doing today? It's a beautiful day. We're gonna get our wire. Got our cutters. And cut the wire. Put your thingy back on your wire. Alright, we got our wire here. Got our crimp beads. Got our crimp beads on. Because we are going to make a necklace today. Our crimp beads on here. There we go. Get our lobster claw. Our lobster claw. And get that bad boy on there. You got your crimp beads. Yes, I say beads. I'm putting 2 on here. Because like I said, I don't want my stuff to fall apart. I want to make good quality stuff. I'm just taking the extra and sliding it up. That's all I'm doing right now. That way I can adjust right around here for the wire. Hope everybody's having a great day today. So we got that. We got our beads up here. Got our hoop made for this. We'll come over here and grab the old handy dandy pliers here. And we crimp down on that bead where we want to right there. Crimp down real good. And you got this one. You want to slide it. Sometimes it'll slide down a little. You can slide it around. I don't know. This one I'm going to put down a little bit from the top one there like so. Like that right there is about good. And crimp it on there. So that way it's crimped. Alright, we got our side crimped. We got it going here. I'm just doing a little extra just to make sure it's going to hold and stay. Because I want it to hold and stay. So I'll do like that. And we always got to check it. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty snazzy. You can do the old pull test, you know. It's looking pretty good. Pull test on it. I think it's going to work out. Alright. So we got that done. We can set our tools. Set them over here to the side. Alright. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a couple of these to get it started and hold the clasp off the skin. A couple of these silver round ones that I picked out for this. Alright. I'm going to slide it down. I got them. Sliding it down to the lobster claw end here because I want to... Oh, yeah, it's going to work. Just like this with the lobster claw. Got 2 silver beads. That way that can be on there like that. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to use these kind of beads, these stones. Yep, I'm going to put one of these on here. And then I'm going to put one of these. And I'm going to put another one of these. Yep, and I'm going to put one of these. I want to do a few here and see how it's going to look before I continue. So I'm going to put a few more of these and a few more of these, and I'm going to pick it up and show you what I'm doing here. I want to see what it's going to come out and look like here. In just a minute. Just give me a minute here, please. Alright, let's take a look at it. This is what I got going on so far here. I'm trying to bring, besides just doing these, like this. I don't know, maybe I should just do these. I'm trying to see here. Because I'm going to put this on it. I'm trying to see here, you know, try and get the match a little bit here. Because this is going on it, so I think I'll just keep my idea going here for a few more beads. That one didn't want to go on. We're getting something put on right here, and I'm going to take another look at it. I think I'm going to keep my idea, though. Yeah, I should do that. See, I made a boo-boo, so I've got to fix it. Yep, made a boo-boo. I don't know if I should put these other two. I think I'll just do this one. I'm going to keep that idea. So, that's the idea I'm going to go with. I just had to fix it here on the end because the wire was showing through. So I put a silver bead, spacer, stone, spacer bead. That's what I'm doing. So I got a spacer, so I need to put a stone. Oh. Yeah. Always do a little bit and stop and take a look at it, see how it's going to look. Oh, maybe somebody will like it. Spacer and stone. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Yes, it's a beautiful day. Yes. So this is what I got going so far on it right here. Yeah, I don't want to go on. It's going on though. I was thinking about doing that, and I was thinking about doing this. Right here. Or maybe I should go down a little more and space one. And then put another one in, yeah. Went down a little more. I think that's going to be good. Alright, I got some beads out now. So this is what I'm going for so far. This is what I got going. Sometimes I get away from you. Alright, so we got this going. Alright, so if I'm going to hang a charm, about right there. I gotta get some of these beads out. Get that one on there. So I'm gonna put like some of these small beads to hold this charm on here. That I'm putting these little small beads on here. I just had to get a few on there so you guys could see them, so y'all could see them. Anyways, I'm still here. I had to put a few of them small beads on there. All right, here we go. We're gonna do some more. We gotta do a few more to hold the charm on there. So, like so. Alright, so we got that done. Okay, so we get our charm here. Our hoop. Charm. We put it on there. Get our hoop here. We have a hoop here. With these pliers. We get these pliers like this and twist. It opens the hoop up. See there? And you can put your charm on. Charm put on. Get your pliers and you can squeeze them two parts back together. Oh. Sometimes you gotta get the round ones and do a little work to it. It's easy though. See how I did that? It's not that difficult. And I do like my hoops to overlap a little bit. And cramp it and crimp it as hard as I can. And take a look at it. I don't think that's coming off. I think that's gonna look good. Right there, like that. Just that many on it. That's gonna be good. I don't want it to be too. Put them little black ones back up so you don't lose them. See, I get containers. I bought 3 of these for like $2, but you can buy these for $1. So there is containers out there. Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Walmart is a good place to go. All right, so we got that going. We need to put another woohoo on here. Put another woohoo on there so it stays. And see, I put a silver bead on each side here, so this is going to stay right there in the middle at all times. It won't move around. And I got a stone on this end, and I'm going to put a stone on this end now. So we got to get a stone here. Let's see. I'm looking for a stone. Here we go. Get this stone on there. It's gonna be like that. But it'll be more in the middle. It'll hang down when it's done, like, yeah. Anyways, we got that going for us. So we gotta put a woohoo on there, spacer, a stone, spacer,